Right, so hey guys, welcome to another tutorial where I'm going to teach you on how to add another account in Windows 11. So basically another guest account or whatnot apart from your main account. So an account, this is basically an account. Okay, so this is my account. Okay, so we're going to need another account. We're going to create another account if a guest is planning to use the PC, so their files do not clash with our files. Okay, so let's get straight into it, shall we? So we're going to right click on this Windows 11 logo right here, and then I'm going to search for settings. Go into settings. In settings here, you're going to click on accounts. Okay, and accounts you're going to find for family right here. Okay, here you can sign in for a family account. So if your mom or your dad or anyone wants to create an account, you can create a you can create a sign-in account. You can sign in here and they will have their own personal icon and everything will be synced to the account. So yeah, so you're going to go back to accounts right here, then you're going to scroll down here, then you're going to go into other users. Okay, in other users you can basically add an account. So just click on add account right here. You can click I don't have this person sign-in information, then you can click on add a user without Microsoft account. Okay, this will create a local account, so I'm just going to name my person John Doe. Okay, and you can add a password. I'm not going to, so I'm just going to click on next. As you can see, a local account has been created. So we're going to close this and we're going to switch to that account. It's going to take a while. Sign in. It's a brand new created account, so it's going to take a while to load, and you can see the basic setup is taking place. Okay guys, so for this I'm just going to disable all the setup, click on accept, and yeah, we landed on our home page, and now the user or the guest can use this account freely without disturbing the main account. So that's all for this video guys, and I hope this helped, and yeah, thanks for watching.